everything to do with defects. These are all the defects. They will ask you कि अच्छा सारों का मुझे gene बता दो, what is the problem. We have leukocyte adhesion defect 1 and leukocyte adhesion defect 2. So LAD1 and LAD2. LAD1 looks like I, so this is a problem in integrin beta 2, whereas LAD2 looks like 2 flip karo S, so this is a problem in sialin Lewy X. Everything written over here, will be a child coming with infection. सबका history same, child coming with infections. You will have to read after it कि अच्छा LAD1 में क्या होगा मैम. LAD1 में extra will be that the mother will say umbilical cord did not shed off, did not separate. Very good guys. Delayed umbilical cord shedding is LAD1 versus which blood group is LAD2. This was the last year FMG exam question. Which blood group is LAD2? Bombay blood group is associated with LAD2. That doesn't mean that every person born with Bombay blood group has to have LAD2. This is just an association. But ये question नहीं था. Question was, what is the phenotype? How do you write? Like if let's assume I am B positive, in my report it will be written like this, that ma'am you are B positive. If you are AB positive, I will write your report like this. But if you're Bombay blood group, how will I write your report? Bombay blood group is written as capital O and small h. This was the FMG last year question. OH. They will say OH is associated with which kind of a disease? With LAD2. Coming to the next, Bruton's hypogammaglobulinemia. How can you forget? B for boys में ज़्यादा होता है. B for BTK gene का defect. Okay, what happens because of it? Hypogammaglobulin. Ma'am, IgG will decrease. The garam masala will decrease. This means the opsonization is going to be defective. Very good. सब कुछ B. Everyone remembers. Amazing. Coming to the next, Shediac-Higashi syndrome. I expect something around this time. Shediac-Higashi syndrome is a problem in the lysosomal gene, the list gene defect. बच्चे को क्या होगा? सब में infection. One classical hair finding. बच्चा comes into your OPD from a distance. You see his hair, his eyebrows, his eyelashes. It has a characteristic silvery gray color, and you are dealing with Shediac-Higashi syndrome. Very good. Coming to the last one, CGD, chronic granulomatous disease, is because of a defect in FOX gene. क्या होता है FOX gene? PHOX. Ma'am, FOX gene is NADPH oxidase deficiency. FOX gene is not working. NADPH oxidase is not going to work. What will the patient have? Of course, infections. But which type of infections? Staphylococcus aureus, Candida, those kind of catalase positive infections keep happening in CGD. Now comes the previous year question. What is the screening test? Chota wala test and then diagnostic wala test. Chota wala test is NBT test, and D for D, diagnostic wala test, is going to be the DHR test. These are the two tests that you have for CGD. Is that okay? NBT, DHR, NBT chota test, screening test, DHR, D for D, that is a diagnostic.